Hey guys, Casey here with peterglenn.com, and today we're going to talk about finding your right jacket size. One of the most frequent questions we get from our shoppers is, how do I know what size I am? Whether this is your first ski jacket, the first time you're trying out a brand, or maybe you're moving up a size, finding that perfect fit doesn't have to be impossible. Here are 5 helpful tips for finding the perfect jacket. Before you start taking any measurements, the first step is to wear your base layer of choice. You want to be sure that your new jacket is going to work with your layering options without being overly tight or baggy. It'll also give you a general idea on the overall fit and whether or not you can wear an insulator or mid-layer over your base layer. One of the first measurements you're going to take is the circumference of the fullest part of the chest. You don't want to take the measurement too low and end up with a jacket that's overly tight. If you measure at the widest part, you'll have a quality fit while still offering you a little room for layering and movement. It may seem like a strange idea to measure your hips and waist when sizing a jacket, but it can actually improve the fit. Your jacket doesn't just end at the waist, and some jackets can even run down to your knees depending upon the cut. So measure the smallest part of your waist and the largest part of your seat for a quality fit that won't be overly tight. You want to be sure that you have the right fit at your sleeves as well. Too long and you won't be able to create a barrier against the snow. Too short and you have the same problem. When you're measuring the sleeve length, you're going to measure from the center of the back of the neck across the shoulder and down to the wrist hem. As a general rule, your jacket shouldn't sit longer than the center of your hand or the knuckle line. The final measurement you're going to take, and also another misinterpreted one, is the center back length. Although some people think this measurement is taken from the top of the collar down to the bottom of the hemline, it's actually from the center of the neck to the bottom of the hemline. For the best coverage, your jacket should sit at the middle of the seat or just slightly below the hip. Once you have all of your measurements, you can compare them to the handy size chart on our website. It's important to remember that every brand is different. While you might be a small in one brand, that could actually be a medium in another. So be sure to check out our size charts before ordering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out peterglenn.com for all of your jacket needs.